Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This was sent by Russell, and I have no idea what's in here. It's really heavy though, so it's either one monstrous heavy knife or multiple knives. In any case, we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can find a link for my Patreon right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I don't want to show any unnecessary information here. So one sec. I gotta make a cutoff camera because there's a lot of information on the other side and it's a small box. So, oh boy. Get in here. Very curious to find out what is inside of this very heavy box. And it is kind of what I expected. Multiple knives. Well, you packed a lot of stuff in there. Absolutely. Okay, let's turn the exposure up just a little bit here and find out what we've got. We have a CJRB. Be interested to find out what this is. Oh, hang on here. Oh, wait a minute. This is Russell. Oh, Russell from CJRB and Artisan Cutlery. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. Russell, I'm so sorry. This is the AR RPM 9 Crag. That's really cool. So carbon fiber, and then we have the red pivot collar, and then the RPM 9 proprietary powder form steel from Artisan Cutlery. So that is super cool. Why does this knife feel different? Did you guys change something about the... So this feels a lot more solid than that. Obviously, this is, in the original Crag is a budget knife, and I don't know how this one's priced, but I'm going to link it down below if I can. I remember how the original Crag felt, and it felt fairly similar to other knives in the same price territory, but maybe I'm mistaken. That feels a lot more solid. It doesn't look, other than, I mean... We obviously have, oh, the finish on this is nice. It's a Crag with carbon fiber and AR RPM 9, but gosh, it just feels more solid. I don't know. Maybe, I'm not really sure. This is just an unboxing. I've reviewed the Crag before. You guys can check that out if you want. We have a couple of knives here that are new. Oh boy. So this is a new model, a new 2021 model from CJRB, and I specifically requested this one. Yeah, that's cool. This has got quite the over-the-top aesthetic. Honestly, it is big, but gosh, it's not as big as I thought it was going to be. It's not so freakishly hulking that it's, like, uncomfortably huge. Actually, boy, that's pretty comfortable. I'll tell you guys, this looks very angular, and it looks like it might be uncomfortable ergonomically, but to my surprise, no, it's actually very comfortable. That's pretty cool. We've got... Is it two separate pieces of G10? Yeah, that's what it looks like there. So that's cool. I think this comes in a lot of different aesthetic forms. I'll link this guy down below if I can. I don't know if it's available yet. By the time you guys are watching this video, I don't know. I'll make sure that it's linked down below either way, though. Another AR RPM 9. This one says prototype. So, I don't know. It might be available. It might not. Check the links down below. That is definitely cool. What is the name of this? Does it say? Gosh darn it, it doesn't. It'll definitely say in the links down below if I can link it. And then we have one more, which I'm sure I will also not remember the name. Oh, this is the one that... So, of the stuff that was presented to me for CJRB and Artisan Cutlery in 2021, this was the most beautiful offering. Yeah. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you kind of have an idea of what I look for, lines that are pleasing to me. This is contoured. It is straight. It has a nice, not fully flat ground blade, but we've got a nice, just a generic, I want to say generic. I don't want to reduce it to that, but a nice straightforward blade shape, a nice straightforward drop point blade shape. Not super thick on the spine, a little bit of a flat, and it comes down to a super thin edge. We've got S35VN on this guy and titanium with a nice clip, and then we've got a nice micarta scale. I want to take a look at the inside here. We're looking at solid micarta on one side. This guy's probably going to be a little bit more expensive, but oh my goodness, is that smooth. Yeah, so these are cool. I love these. I mean, I like kind of the big, chunky, excessiveness of this one. I've been a fan of the Crag for a while. That's cool that it's an AR RPM 9, right? This is definitely my favorite of the bunch. Oh boy, that's nice. Left-handed, no problem. Yeah, this has got that, if you're like me, you look for the ease of deployment, the comfort of deployment, right? I mean, it's a knife, all knives cut, right? And so some people are going to say, oh, it's unnecessary to get hung up on the details like that. But I do. That's what I've always done on this channel. Across the 1,600 uploads that I've got, that's what I always do. I love stuff like this. That is beautifully comfortable, beautifully shaped, beautifully sized. Lots of ergonomic freedom because of the straightness of the handle, right? And you do lock in pretty well. Man, that's comfortable. Yeah, that was a good haul from Artisan Cutlery. I will be linking as many of these down below as I can. If these guys are not available, if any of these are not available yet, I'll at least link pre-order links or links that will eventually populate them. But yeah, very cool. So here in just a few weeks, you guys will get full videos of each of these knives. Looking forward to doing full comprehensive overviews and reviews of this stuff. Thank you very much, Russell from Artisan Cutlery, for sending these along. Looking forward to taking a closer look at them. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.